M Industries is a group of people. M Industries is a consolidation of families.
We don't sell, we ask, because the customer's problems are always different and unique. Even though the product a lot of times is the same, the challenges are always different, and that's where we always start, with our customer.
The beauty of this industry is that there is not one market that we don't touch. You see new chemicals being developed all the time, things that make products work better, clean better, smell better. For example, things that smell just absolutely wonderfully will scavenge air in a package. It will eat and cause a panel to suck in. The consumer makes decisions not just on the contents, but also the presentation. And if a bottle looks terrible or the package looks deformed, you're going to make a different decision. E-commerce today has forced the entire supply chain to change. The pressures that the product has to endure by being put in a box, put in a plane, that rapid change in the environmental conditions can wreak havoc on some packages. And that's when the product does not represent what it's supposed to represent. The brand is maligned. We can apply a vent to a heat seal, the type of liner that goes onto a bottle that gives you a great seal all the way around. The M Industries product line is very broad. One size does not fit all. A small vent does not work on a product that needs a lot of air, like agrochems. A large vent is not necessary for a product in the health and beauty market. What we want to be is a company that solves the problem. It doesn't matter the size of the order, because every order is important to the person who placed that order. We were given an opportunity for our first large order from a customer. We ended up working together non-stop for 62 hours. I couldn't have been more proud. This team did and accomplished what in the beginning they thought couldn't be done.
We've been both purposeful and fortunate in creating a team environment that on the one hand is very family oriented, but on the other hand is very high performance. We have great technology, newest equipment in the industry. Our intelligent manufacturing process transcends borders to ensure that our customers can trace our source of supply and be confident in what they're offering their customers.
Being an integrator, we're not tied to just these materials or a vent. The dynamic might be that the packaging world comes up and they need something completely different that we're not even thinking about today. So we anticipate needing to change, needing to adapt, and we have a unique position that we counsel, we consult, and we supply a nice solution that brings everybody into alignment, providing what the customer, ultimately the market, is going to want.